Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can assign a default app to open files and folders on or via Adobe Bridge, the Adobe Bridge file and folder organizer on your computer in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So you can do this on Adobe Bridge the same way you do it on your through the File Explorer on your operating system. You know, there are, for example, there's the option to assign a default app that whenever you right click into an application on your device, you may choose to open it, and then the given file will be opened via the assigned default app. And you can customize that here in Adobe Bridge as well. So to do that, you will need to navigate to your account preferences or settings via the edit tab in the top, select preferences. And here guys, you will see this tab to the left, file type associations. So here you may go through that list of file types, for example, like HTML, and here to the right you will see the available or supported apps. Like for example, if it's a browser, click into browse here, and if the given browser is installed on your device, you may select it from there. Or I don't know, if it's JavaScript, click into browse, and after that navigate to the file that starts the application on your device, select it, and then it will be assigned to be the default app to open files on Adobe Bridge. Don't forget to click into OK to save that. You may also reset this to default file type associations if you like. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.